man today. Well, I saw my baby walking with another man today. When I ask her, hey baby, what's the matter?
This is what I heard her say.
See you later, alligator. After white crocodile. See you later, alligator. After white crocodile. Can't see you in my way now. Don't you know you grab my style? When I thought the she done told me, nearly made me lose my head. When I thought the she done told me, nearly made me lose my head. But next time that I saw her,
Reminded her what she said.
see you later, alligator. After white crocodile. See you later, alligator. After white crocodile. Can't see you in my way now. Don't you know you grab my style?
Šišaj maco.
She said, she said,
I'm sorry, pretty baby. You know my love is just for you.
she said,
I'm sorry, pretty baby. You know my love is just for you. Oh, to say that you forgive me and say your love for me is true.
see you later, alligator. After white crocodile. See you later, alligator. After white crocodile. Can't see you in my way now. Don't you know you grab my style? I said, wait a minute, gator. I know you meant me just for play. I said, wait a minute, gator. I know you meant it just for play. Don't you know you really hurt me? And this is what I have to say. See you later, alligator. After white crocodile. See you later, alligator. After white crocodile. Can't see you in my way now. Don't you know you grab my style? See you later, alligator. After white crocodile. See you later, alligator. After white crocodile. Can't see you in my way now. Don't you know you grabbed my style? Shut up, boy.
Okay. Zadnje moramo ponoviti.